The BoostSolutions Cascaded Lookup enables you to create filtered, parent-child relationship lookup column in your SharePoint Online list. This enables you to filter values in the child column based on the selection made in the parent column. It is especially useful when you want to filter a list of cities by a selected country. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use this product. Let's get started. In this demo, we have a list named Locations. This list contains 3 columns: city, country, and region. Both city and country are text columns, while region is a choice column. This list includes several cities, each corresponding to a country and a region. We also have another list, named Company. In this list, we're going to create country and city columns. Our goal is to filter cities based on the selected country, and countries based on the selected region. Now, let's start the process. In the list, click on Cascaded Lookup Settings in the top action bar. Then, click on Create a Cascaded Lookup Column, and then New Cascaded Lookup Column. Next, give this column a name. In our case, we will name it Country. Under the Get Information from this site section, select the site where the location list is located. Then, under the Select a List as a Source section, choose the Locations list. After that, select the Country column. Click on Set Filter and then select Region as the filter. With this configuration, the countries will be filtered based on the selected region. Leave the other settings as default, and then click Save to save the settings. Now that we've successfully created the country column, let's move on to create another column, City. Click on Create a Cascaded Lookup Column and then New Cascaded Lookup Column. Next, let's name this column. We'll call it City. Just like before, under the Get Information from this site section, select the site where the location list is located. Then, under the Select a List as a Source section, choose the Locations list. Now, select the City column. Click on Set Cascading and specify Country for both parent column in this list and Filtered by column in Source List options. This configuration will allow the cities to be filtered based on the selected country. Once again, leave the other settings as default and click Save to save the settings. Well, there is an option Apply Cascaded Lookup Custom from to Content Type. If you select this option, it will replace the list default content types. This means that when you create new or edit command, you can use the filter function by default. For this demo, let's select Yes for this option. Now, let's go back to the company list. As you see, 2 new columns have been created. To demonstrate how this works, select an item and click on Edit. In the Region column, let's select Europe. As you can see, the Country column now displays all countries in Europe. Let's select Germany. Notice how the City column now shows all cities in Germany. Choose Berlin and click Save. Now, let's look at the company list view. You will be able to see the values that we've just set in the Cascaded Lookup columns. Next up, I will demonstrate another useful feature of the BoostSolutions Cascaded Lookup app. This feature allows you to select filtered items from a pre-specified view. Let's dive in. For this demonstration, we have a list named Purchase Order. This list contains a column named PO number and another column named Status. The status can be either active or closed. In this list, we have 2 views. The first one, Active PO, contains PO numbers that are active. The second view, Closed PO, contains PO numbers that are closed. Now, we also have another list named Invoice. In this list, we aim to create a column that can look up the PO number from the purchase order list, but we only want to filter the PO number that are active. Let's see how we can do this. Firstly, click on Cascaded Lookup Settings in the top action bar. And then click on Create a Cascaded Lookup Column and then New Cascaded Lookup Column. For this column, let's give it the name PO number. Under the Get Information from this site section, select the site where the purchase order list is located. Under Select a List as a Source section, choose the Purchase Order list. Next, select PO Number column. Click on Set Filter and select the active PO view as the filter. This configuration ensures that only the PO numbers from the active PO view will be visible. Leave the other settings as default and click Save to save the settings. Also, ensure the option Apply Cascaded Lookup Custom Form to Content Type is selected. Now, let's click on New to create an item. Fill in the necessary information. In the PO number column, you'll notice that only the numbers from the active PO view are shown. Choose one number and click Save. As you can see, a new item has now been created in the list view, with the PO number from the active PO view appearing in the Cascaded Lookup column. And that's how you use the Cascaded Lookup feature in SharePoint Online. BoostSolutions' Cascaded Lookup product is available for a 30-day free trial. Just install and deploy the product to your SharePoint Online and start exploring all its features. If you need any help, remember that our support team is always available to assist you. We hope this tool enhances your SharePoint experience. Thank you for watching this video.